So we start off today's video with this major transformation. She has hair that ends just below the shoulder blade. Wow, beautiful mushroom style pixie. This one features bangs in the front. A lot of body, especially in the back. This is absolutely gorgeous. Such a stunning hairstyle. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of haircut ideas, hair transformations, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you are looking for a new way to shake up some boring strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another bob haircut. And with this one, she decided to go blonde. Absolutely gorgeous transformation. She does have like that mini bob trend with this one. Very popular hair idea to wear in 2023. And then we have someone with long hair. Looks like she may also be getting a bob. So it looks like she's getting a little bit more of like a mid-length cut. A few layers put in to help frame out the face. Gorgeous. I really like the face framing bangs that has. And then we have someone else with rather long hair. The stylist asks, how short do you want to go? And it looks like she's going to be getting a shoulder length bob haircut. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love her top too. Very nice and chic. Beautifully done. Next up, looks like we have a trim into a bob haircut situation. Beautiful curtain bangs added in the front. And this is a great way to accent a modern bob. So the stylist ended up doing like this flipped under curl. Very cute. We're seeing a major return with that flip under curl, by the way. It's a great way to add some texture and volume to the hair. So next up we have another bob here. Stylist is mixing in some color. I really like the technique that he does for the color because it looks so natural. Just absolutely gorgeous transformation. So polished and sophisticated. She looks amazing. So here we have someone else with hair just past their shoulders or just above their shoulders. And she ended up updating her look with this beautiful pixie style. Love the overall texture for this one. It does have a bit of a spiky feel to it. Very pretty. So then we have this stylist berating someone with pretty long hair. Wow, gorgeous angled bob haircuts, beautifully done. Alright you guys, I hope you felt inspired by all of the hairstyles spotted within today's video. Don't forget to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.